Violet Summers is the model who has been inspiring lots of women to feel comfortable in their own skin. This lady is a renowned actress and model who photo shoots bikinis, lingerie, and other casual wear. For the past few years, she has been garnering a lot of fans on Instagram. Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you. This young talented persona is a model all the way from the United States of America. Growing up in one of the richest countries, it was not that tough for her parents to fulfill her needs. This model was born in the year 1999. As of 2022, she is 22 years old and her zodiac sign is Sagittarius. It might not come as a surprise, but Summers strictly follows Christianity. Being a model, this gorgeous model stands tall at a height of 5 feet 4 inches. There may be only guys counted in fingers who would reject her charm and elegance.